Hi guys, this is a video on the conditions for two triangles to be similar. You only need three things to be equal or in the same ratio. I'm gonna go through all three conditions. So this video will cover everything, basically. I'm not gonna go through a lot of examples, just some. So this one's the basic one for AAA, angle, angle, angle. You have to match all the angles together. So for example, angle BAC, the 30 degrees there, is equals to angle RPQ. Then 114 is going to be angle ABC equals to angle PRQ. Then the last one, angle BCA equals to RQP. Therefore, you declare the triangle ABC is similar to triangle. The order matters, so I wrote A first, 30 degrees. I have to write P first, the one with 30 degrees. So P is first, and then B has 114, R has 114, PRQ. And write the condition AAA. Next question. Let's see. Let's get a difficult one for this. Let's see. Okay, I can't get a difficult one, but okay, let's try this one. Determine which of the three triangles are gonna be similar. So it's basically 2 out of 3 are similar. Usually it's 2 out of 3. There could be 3, all 3 are similar. Now we're missing an angle over here. So every time you're missing a final angle, you have 2 other angles. You can always find the last angle in the triangle. So just do 180 minus the 2 angles. So angle QPR equals to 180 degrees. The total angle in the triangle is 180 minus 60 minus 50. Angle sum of triangle is the reference. 60 minus 50 is 110, so this should be 70. You can put 70 degrees over here to help you. The next one is I'm going to find angle Z there, XZY equals to 180 minus 50 minus 55. Again, angle sum of triangle. 105, right? So it's 75 degrees. Now, seeing 75 degrees here, I can already know the first one and the last one are similar. They have the same angles. So I'm just going to match again. Angle BAC equals to angle XYZ. If, right? Next, ACB, 50 degrees, equals to YXZ, 50 degrees. Then angle ABC, 75 degrees, equals to 75 degrees, XZY. So therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle. A has 55, so we have to put Y first. B has 75, next is Z, and then X. A again. Okay, moving on to the next condition. 3 sides proportional. In a similar triangle, the sides are not equal, they're actually in the same ratio. So what do I mean by ratio? If you put the smallest side divided by the bigger side, it's gonna be the same ratio as, smallest side of the smaller triangle divided by the smallest side of the bigger triangle, it has the same ratio as the biggest side of the small triangle divided by the biggest side of the big triangle. So let's see how it works. Let's say I put KJ, it's the 6 over there, divided by RT. So I think before you start, you label it like this. This is the smallest one, so first, or you can put the number 1 circle, number 2 circle, 3 circle. For the big triangle, you also label them in ascending order, smallest, second smallest, and the biggest. This will help you later on. So I'm gonna match number 1 with number 1, smallest and smallest. You gotta be careful with labeling the smallest and the biggest. 6 over 10, right? 6 over 10 simplified in your calculator is 3 over 5. Now we're gonna deal with the second biggest, the 2's. So it's KL divided by ST. KL is 9, ST is 15. So it's also 3 over 5 in your calculator. Then the last one, the biggest side, 3, JL divided by SR equals to 12 over 20. Again, this one is 3 over 5. So you have to link them up. If J, you're just gonna write all of these. KJ over RT is equals to KL over ST is equals to JL over SR equals to 3 over 5, all the same ratio. Therefore, triangle JKL. So this is where the numbers will come in place. You're starting from J, going to K. You're passing by the smallest side, the number 1. And then you're going L, right? So you're passing by the second, the number 2. So you have to do the same thing. If you want to pass by the smallest one, you can go this way or this way. But we had to go through 1 and then 2. So most likely your route has to go from R to T and then going to S, passing by 1 and 2. So the order of the letters has to be similar to R, T, S, this way, okay? Because I went J, K, L, passing by 1 and 2, I have to pass by 1 and 2. Okay, so this is very important. A lot of people will mix it up. 3 sides proportional. Okay, the last rule over here. Basically, this is similar to 3 sides proportional, but instead of 3 sides, we have 2 sides. Now, the 2 sides has to be between the angle. That's the most important thing. So if the angle's over here, this is not gonna work, okay? The angle must be between the 2 sides. That's why it's called including an angle equal. Included angle equal. So included angle means between the 2 sides. Okay, let's get going. So the steps are, if AB, this is the smallest, this is the second smallest, smallest here, second smallest, match it with the 15 there. AB divided by PR equals 10 over 15, 2 over 3. And then BC over QR equals 12 over 18, which is 2 over 3 as well. And then the angle ABC equals to angle PRQ. I think we should write one more. AB over PR equals to BC over QR equals to 2 over 3. Or you can just write without the 2 over 3, write less. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle. Okay, if you're passing by the smallest side, you gotta pass by the smallest side first, going to R. So my order of letters has to be PRQ. Again, A, B, C, the order is you're passing by the smallest side first, going to the second smallest side. So you gotta go to the smallest side of the bigger triangle, going through the second smallest side of the bigger triangle. So it's PRQ. And then the condition is 2 sides are proportional. I don't know why this one has a short form but the other one doesn't. I think the other one you can also write prop. Included angle is equal. Alright, so that's it for this video. Those are the 3 conditions. And hopefully you do well. Bye.